Welcome back. We have learned in previous class about the judiciary system of India, how judiciary system works in India. We have learned about the articles that deals in judiciary, including Supreme Court and the High Court. We have learned that Article 124 to 147. These articles of our constitution deals with the judiciary system, about the high court and the supreme court. Now let's start the session of MCQ based on our previous class. Here are the questions given. You have to learn and answer these questions in the comment box. What is the highest court in India? Among the following, which is the highest court of India? The answer is option A, Supreme Court. Supreme Court is the highest court or top of the judiciary. After that, we are having who is the head of judiciary system of India. Who is the head of judiciary system of India? The option A is the correct option. CJI, Chief Justice of India, is head of the judiciary in India. Now moving forward, we are having question number 3. What is the main function of judiciary? What is the function of judiciary? The function of judiciary is to interpret the law, to ensure the law for every citizen. The process, now moving forward, we are having the question number 4. It is the process of removing a judge from its office is called. What was the process? What was the process of removing a judge from the office? The process by which judges are removed is impeachment. Option A is the correct answer. Impeachment. Now, moving to the question number 5. Which court interprets the constitution? Which court interprets the constitution? Very important question. The Supreme Court of India interpret the constitution. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Now we are having question number 6, and this question asking what is the PIL? What is PIL? PIL, it's a option A, public interest legislation. Public interest legislation. Now moving forward, on question number 7, we are having who can file a PIL? Who can file a PIL? The correct option is anyone who is citizen of India or any organization that was working in India and for India. PIL, public interest legislation, it can be filed by any citizen. Now moving to the question number 8, we are having role of judiciary in democracy. What is the role of judiciary in democracy? The role of judiciary is to protect the individual right. Judiciary protects our individual rights and it promotes social justice and to ensure the law. So the option D is correct. All the above is the correct option. Article dealing, moving to the question number 9, article dealing with the Supreme Court is Article 124. Is deal with the Supreme Court. Now moving to question number 10, judges of Supreme Court are appointed by President of India through a collegium system. The appointment of judges is a process. It's a process of collegium system by the seniority of the judges. They are being appointed by the President of India. Now moving to question number 8. The term of office for Supreme Court judge is until its 65 years. The term of Supreme Court judges are 65 years, up to 65 years. Now option C is correct. Now moving to the question number 12, we are having the Supreme Court decision be challenged. The Supreme Court decision be challenged only through review petition. It can be challenged through review petition. Hierarchy of the court. Moving through the question number 13. The topmost level of the court is Supreme Court, followed by High Court, and then District Court. District Court at the district level, then High Court at the state level, and after that Supreme Court of India. Option A is correct option. Head of the High Court. Who is head of the High Court? The option A is correct. Chief Justice of High Court. Now moving to the question number 15. We are having role of High Court. What is the role of High Court? Hear appeals from lower court. The role of High Court is to hear the appeals from the lower courts. Moving to the question number 16. We are having, can High Court issue writs? Can High Court issue writs? Yes, of course. High Court issue writ. Option A is correct option. What then? A question is raised. What is a writ? A writ is a court order or direction. Now moving to the question number 18. We are having Judge of High Court eligibility. What is the eligibility of the Judge of High Court? Option C is correct. Lawyer with 10-year experience. A lawyer with the 10-year experience can be appointed as the High Court, Judge of High Court. The term of High Court Judge, what was the term of High Court Judge? It is the up to 62 years. Option C is the correct option. Now question number 20. Can High Court decision be appealed? Yes, High Court decision is appealed in the Supreme Court of India. Moving to the question number 21. Judiciary's role in protecting fundamental rights. Enforce? Yes. Interpret? Yes. Protect? Yes. Option D is the correct answer of this question. Who can file a case for enforcement of fundamental right? If anybody's fundamental rights are enforced, who can file case against enforcement? Option C is the correct. Any citizen or organization whose fundamental rights are enforced. Judicial independent ensure. Moving to the question number 23. We are having judicial independence ensures impartiality. Option A is the correct option. Now moving to the question number 24. We are having judiciary role in democracy. What is the role of judiciary in the democracy? Protect right? Yes, of course. Promote justice? Yes. Ensure rule of law? Yes. Option D is the correct option. The judiciary have important role to protect our rights, to protect the justice and promote the justice and ensure the ruling of the law. Can judiciary review executive decision? Moving to the question number 25. Yes, judiciary can review executive decision. Option A is the correct option. Now moving forward on question number 26, we are having judicial review means, it means the reviewing laws, reviewing executive decision, reviewing own decision. Option D is the correct option. Administration of justice in India is done by judiciary. It should be done by judiciary. Option A is the correct option. Importance of judiciary in a democracy. The correct option is protect law, promote justice, ensure law, the rule of law. Option D is the correct answer. Can judiciary interfere with the legislature? Option A is the correct answer. Yes, judiciary can interfere with the legislature. Now we are having question number 30, significance of Supreme Court. Significance of Supreme Court, it is the highest court. Judicial review protects right. Option D is the correct option. Okay guys, thank you for watching and subscribe, like and share. Give your valuable feedback and for the next video. Appreciate and wish you all a very happy Chhath Puja. Thank you.